Split tayo ng ano, sige.
Taka maapoy nga eh, bobo ka.
Payungan mo kasi.
Hindi kasi pinapayungan.
Paypaya mo.
Okay na yan. Gusto
Ayan.
yan. Gusto yan.
Gusto na
Ah, mabilis yan, pare.
Wala yan to, tindihan mo ba?
Ipa mo, boy.
Hindi ba yun?
Putangin na mo, ipa mo.
Putang ina kasi meron eh!
Ipa mo. Tayo, ipa mo, boy.
Siya mo, Randy.
Ay na pre, maapoy to.
Ipa mo.
Nagsira yung paay.
Ano? Ayaw talaga.
Tangin na mo, sindihan mo ulit. Gago, wala. Oo, ayan o. Pukin ang inang yan, wala o. Ipa mo kasi.
Napakabubo naman kasi naman. Sino nagsindi?
Ilagay mo sa bibig mo.
Ah.
Ay, okay. What? Ayun, naka-vlog niya. Kinangker niya yung mga bata. Putangin na mo, pag sinindihan niya, ako may maglalagay sa bibig mo niyan. Langin mo.
Ano yan?
Gusto mo sumama?
Wala tagalan. Gusto ko talaga nakakagat sa bibig eh.
Tang ina!
Kung sabi ko niya ko na.
Ano?
Bakit sabi ko niya?
Yay!
Happy New Year! Yeah!
Joke lang. Ay, bibila kayo Ilo? Uy, huwag kayo sumunod dyan. Dito tayo.
Nawa mo ba? Nawa mo?
Tayo
Nawa
mag-usap
mo,
dito.
pre.
Gago, malapit ka gago. Ikaw nagsunti. Tarantado. Gago, magkaya yung mata niya. Ano niya?
Nga,
Kamay.
kumama sa mata mo?
Eh, kamay. Para tingnan mo yung kamay. Ang lapit eh.
Wala. Nabigla lang siya. Malayo naman.
Ay, gago, malapit.
Hindi naman tinamaan yung kamay.
Hindi ba picture tayo?
Nasa video yun eh.
Bang talaga. agad.
Nabigla lang siya dahil ginangster niyo yung mga bata eh.
Ayun na siya. Ayun na.
Mamaya naman ulit, tumulan.
Ayun.
Gaya ng dati, subscribe na lang po dito sa ating
YouTube
himpilan.
channel.
Sa YouTube channel daw. Yan, yung puting ba na yun, yung nanguha ng mga anong.
Mga Chinese.
Shoutout sa mga tropa namin na din na sumama ngayon. At saka shoutout sa kagabi sa iniwan kami na nag-iisang bisita. So, bumis ka agad. Shoutout sa'yo, men. Alam mo na kung ano mangyayari. Iniwan mo kami. Okay kayo. Lamig kayo. Pero sasabugan ako. Shoutout sa mga, ayan oh. Ang dami nila oh. Shoutout sa mga nandito sa gilid na mga checks.
Yes.
Alright, man.
Ay. Check it out.
Check it out, man. Check it out.
Yes. Happy birthday to you. Yes. Yes. Saan mo?
Sangayo. Sabay sangayo. Tara.
Hindi. Sa malayo, Pacific Ocean yan.
Tabord.
Ah,
Bina namin kilala yun. Ewan ko ba kay Board kung paano siya pumilit siyang ganun.
Putangin na, Pilipino yun eh. Gago yun, nag-trip lang yung hype ng album na yun.
Kaya namin si Board.
Ano na mo, pakyo ka, bahala ka dyan.
Ito ka oh. Middle finger ka sa akin, putang ina mo.
Ayaw niya pa rin mali.
Ano? Iwan ka namin. Ay puta, bahala ka.
Mula na oh.
Pre, dapat live ka sa FB.
Ayoko, gago. Kita mo naka-block ako eh. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, sir!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, man!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Say hi, sir. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi.
Say hi, say hi, say hi.
Happy New Year, everybody! Alright!
Mahal ko kayo, mahal ko kayo. Mahal ko kayo.
Mahal ko kayo.
In English, I love you. Mahal ko kayo, Philippines.
I love
Go. I love
my wife, eh?
I love you, Philippines.
I love Philippines.
Yan, I love you,
Say hi to my
Philippines.
vlog.
Mahal ko kayo. Yeah.
Yes. I was talking to my friends there.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year, my friend.
I'm going to have breakfast to Ungkalo.
Dunggalo, Dunggalo.
It's my town.
Ah,
You
yeah.
know that. The second to the right.
Yeah.
It's good
Second
noodles
to the right,
there.
Mabini.
Yes.
I was right in Santa Monica.
Yes. Yes.
Santa Monica. Mabini.
Spanish kayo sa English niya.
That's your pet.
That's why I love Philippines.
Yeah, yeah, love Philippines.
Okay.
2020, eh? We are ready there, eh?
Waraya.
2020.
Yeah. Yeah.
Crazy, eh? It's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy, man.
Yeah, I'm crazy.
Crazy.
Enjoy it. 1st of January. 1st of January.
Yes, 1st of January.
1st of January.
Almost.
Can I talk,
Yes.
doctor?
All crazy.
Doctor, please.
Doctor, please.
Doctor, please. Oh,
God bless. Thank you.
we need a yellow.
More blessings to come.
Yeah.
More blessings to come. Here, eh? What is it? What do I need?
Yellow.
Viva yellow. Yellow ice.
Ice. Oh, it's good. Good weather. I'm from Europe. From Spain.
Oh, from Spain. Oh.
Freezing down there. Freezing, eh? Snowing, eh?
Ang araw, anong tubig sa kanila? Anong tag dito? Ang ulan sa kanila?
Snow.
Snow.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Kaya hindi nila kailangan ng yellow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Really good time tonight.
Okay, magpaalap ka na sa kanila. Sa kanya pala.
Really good time. My wife, my kid is sleeping. I say, oh, to mga breakfast.
Pre, dito ako meron oh.
Ay, may ano dyan?
Tarangin nyo.
Wala yellow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take her.
Up. I thought you are going...
There.
Oh, alam niya.
Pansit there.
Okay, alam niya.
Pansit.
Dalawang ulo nagkaululan.
Okay, mag...
Beautiful ang kaya.
Lex, ayayin mo mag-inom. Lex, ayayin mo mag-inom.
Ah, 20.
Maybe you know.
At above.
My father-in-law. Maybe you know.
Hmm?
The Cachuela. Cachuela family.
What's your
The
surname?
Diablo Brothers.
Surname?
You know the Diablo Brothers?
Lopez?
Cachuela.
Ah, Casuela.
Kachuela.
The Diablo Brothers.
Casuela is the surname of your family?
Of my family.
Yeah!
Of my family.
Ayayin mo mag-inom, pre.
No. Yeah! Drinking...
Drinking everything.
Yo!
Gin on.
You want.
I mean
This is my house.
I mean You will live in your house now?
Yeah. You want? You want?
Well, I have enough. I was thinking only to breakfast.
Ayan! Get breakfast this in the area of...
No. I'm looking for a place here.
Yeah! This is my...
No, in this side.
No.
No, in this side.
Okay. No.
Where is the second street?
Yeah.
Oh, they sell good pancit and everything there.
Yeah.
Right there. No, right there.
The highway.
This side. I think maybe it's other street.
No.
There is a
Pakita
bar like
natin.
this.
Pakita natin.
You should know.
Yung Matis ba?
Sarap pancit. No matis.
No matis.
Hindi, TFC siguro.
TFC?
Yeah, TFC.
No. Filipino food.
Karinderya.
Carinderia.
Yun.
This side. It's in this side.
Okay.
Alright, come on.
If it's not this street, it's the next one.
This is my place.
So good. You're lucky, eh?
Nyat!
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Nyat!
Beautiful. Quiet? No, it's good.
Quiet. So silent. Here.
Bye-bye. Happy New Year.
Hoy, di siya dadaan.
No, I'm going to look for the pancit.
This is pancit.
No, there is the Rapota Road. I was doing.
No.
I'm looking for a place in this side of the street.
Oh, dito mo siya daan.
They sell pancit.
Dito mo siya daan.
Baka yung
Pansin.
sa kabila.
Baka dito.
Walang luto kayo kasi holiday yun.
Not Matis?
Not Maris. Maybe it's 4 years ago. Maybe it's closed.
TFC. Hindi.
Maybe it's closed. It's famous. A place for breakfast. Pandesal, pancit.
Ay! Dito nga. Ay,
It's famous place. It's the best place here in long time. It's long time ago place.
baka dito nga yun.
It's in this side of the street.
Oh, di sundan mo siya.
Ay, siyan siya.
It's famous light. Facebook light.
Ay, siyan siya.
Sundan mo siya dahil siya nakakalam.
I'm so happy.
You know,
to be,
you know,
I'm
you
so
know.
happy to be here in the Philippines.
You know.
If
You know the street.
If it's not this one, it's the next one.
Mabini.
Mabini, maybe.
Oh.
Okay.
You try.
Happy New Year.
Okay.
Take care.
Enjoy, yeah.
Take care.
This is Dunggalo.
Yes, Tongkalo. The place to be.
Yes!
Ina mo.
Ano tayo yelo, gago?
Hindi ka ngayon makapagalitang hayop ka. Oh. Ano ka ngayon? Pukin ang
Hindi,
inan.
may yelo dito yung ano.
Ang inan to, may yelo pala hayop.
Hindi, yung...
Kung saan mo pa kami dinala. Taki na mo. Mga i-boards. Ba may kumuha. May isang bote pa ba? Meron pa ba?
Bote pa yun dyan. Hindi ko mawas ang bote.